We use the ALM Positioner to help us position the product so we can weld a lot easier, and it's comfortable for us. We don't have to be on our knees. We're standing up in a better posture. And now that we have the positioner, we can get closer to where we need to weld instead of having to crawl in between the two flightings when we're welding around it. Kind of makes me feel a little bit better with my knees. I'm not on knees crawling around all day. With the positioner is all I have to do is just tweak it just a little bit, and I'm horizontal with my weld instead of at an angle, and I can just manipulate where I want it to put the weld at. It speeds it up a lot quicker too. I went from about an hour and 15 minutes to 45 minutes, and that's both sides.
My name is Tyler Ford. I'm the Weld Area Production Manager here at Vermeer Griswold. Vermeer is using this positioner so my guys ain't crawling around on the ground, being on their hands and knees. ALM did a very good job of training us on that, and then I trained my guys as well. You can stand underneath it, it's bolted down, nothing's moving. You're not having to use chains to flip it. It's all in one position where you can raise it, turn it 360. You're not tripping over your weld lead. You're not tripping over ground cords. You are 100% right there to your work, and it's a lot safer that way. They've been real helpful, and I would say phenomenal with ALM.
Vermeer was looking for a solution to minimize or eliminate rotating this part with an overhead crane. Throughout different meetings and conversations, we came up with a great solution using our Skylift. ALM also offers installation and startup service. And then once it's installed, we also go through the maintenance and operational training on the positioner. The collaboration with Vermeer has been great. They understand the ergonomics for their employees, their operators. They take it very seriously, and it's been a great pleasure to work with them and seeing how a company really puts forth safety. We strive to make our positioners better, faster, and safer.